Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me.
I am back with another video and I try my best to keep you all informed. And today we're going to talk about candles. I've done a video already, I've done an unboxing, but we have a new contender who has joined the race in the candle print on demand business. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you're hitting the notification bells because I'm going to do an unboxing of the candles that I purchased. Make sure that you are ready. We are going to talk about Printify. Printify has joined the candle industry via print on demand. They have two different candles that are fairly different from Printed Mint, but they also have Printed Mint as a print provider for a candle. So they have three candles that you can try. We're going to go over to the catalog, and depending on when you're seeing this video, depending on when you sign up for Printify, I have videos of showing you how to sign up, getting your account straight, and uploading your first product. The screen right now is showing all of the holiday picks. Right now I'm going to go to catalog and I'm going to go to new arrivals. But if you go to holiday picks, you'll see the candles as well. I'm going to scroll down and we see our first candle. I'm going to go over some of the specs. I'm going to click on these pictures for you guys. It's aroma therapy candle. It's one size, 100% soy wax blend, average burn time 50 to 60 hours, 100% cotton wick, permanent adhesive label, and it says MB, all scents have the same color. The print provider for these candles is Candle Builder. So the price for this one is $13.96. Shipping is $6.49. You could probably charge $20 for this candle. Print area is only on the front side, and it says one size. Key features: eco-friendly, non-toxic. They have 3 scents to choose from: reusable glass jar and bright and vibrant colors on your candle jar. A little bit more specs here. We're going to go back up looking at more details if you want to go into the shipping, how long it takes to ship, and then information about production. I'm going to go ahead and click start designing, and I've already designed my candle labels just so this wouldn't be a long video. But if you scroll down, the size guide is here. Recommended size is 900 by 600. I'm going to go ahead and hit add my design, and I'm going to go ahead and put my design on. For this one, I did one of my other famous quotes for my business. I'm building a brand. I'm always busy. One of my most sold shirts. So I put smells like a millionaire. Wait, I might need to change this. Oh no, it's a 9 ounce. It's a 9 ounce. We got that. I'm going to hit preview to see what it looks like. And I love it. The pictures look really good. I'm impressed. Everything looks really good to me. I'm going to go ahead and hit save product. And there we have it. We have our aromatherapy candle here. And if I wanted to publish to my store, of course, I would hit publish, but I am going to order one. I'm going to go back over to catalog, and I'm going to hit new arrivals. I'm going to scroll down, and now we're going to go to the scented candle 11 ounce. This generic size 9 ounce is by Printed Mint. I won't be purchasing this candle because I've already purchased from Printed Mint, and there's no need for me to buy it from Printify since it's basically going to be the same candle. I'm going to go to the 7th Avenue Apothecary 11 ounce candle. This enters with a different style. It has like that cork top. It is 2 wicks. So it says made with clean burning 100% food grade soy wax and finest fragrance oils. Premium 360-degree design on print glass. 2 cotton cord wicks, hand pour in the US. And this is provided by Swag Rabbits. I want y'all to keep in mind that the price point is very high for this candle. So the price is $32.84 and the shipping is $8. So this here in your store is about a $50 candle. Now, if you have a brand and you have customers who are willing to pay $50 for a candle, then you can definitely use this for your store. Again, premium soy wax, eco-friendly product, vibrant colors, comes in 3 cents. We're gonna go to start designing. And like I said, I've already designed my candle labels, but the recommended size here is 2971 by 675 pixels. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my artwork from my device. And let's see which one I'm gonna go with, because I need to make sure it looks good. So these are just like little artsy business stuff, and I just have the words paid in peace in the middle. So I'm gonna hit the preview to see what it looks like. I hope it comes out well on the glass, because here it looks like the back is white. So I'm not sure. And I'm not sure, did I do that on my design? So I might need to check that to make sure I did my design without the white background. I am going to try another one because I do have another design just like this. So let me double check to make sure I didn't leave the white background on it. Let's see a preview. I did leave the white background on it. So I kind of like this better though. It's just really light purple. You guys know purple is my color, and it has these like different things on there. Of course, some of the designs are cut off because of the way I did the design, but if you want yours to look just like fully covered all the way around, you can. I may go out and change this one to the other one that says paid in peace on the front, just because I like that design better. Right now, I'm going to keep that design. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. So click both of them, and I'm going to hit create order. Minute lavender and sage. So I guess I can't choose the scent. Okay, the aromatherapy candles, they have comfort spice, sea breeze, and vanilla bean. I'm gonna try this comfort spice. I have both my candles, and I have the minted lavender and sage, and I have the comfort spice. And then once I order this, I'll let you guys know exactly how much the total of both candles, shipping and handling. And then once the candles come, I'll make sure I do an unboxing. But I created 2 candles from the new Printify candles in their print providers. Make sure you're, again, subscribed to my channel so you can see the videos when I do the unboxing and give my review on the new Printify candles for print on demand business. Until next time.
I love you more than I love this video. Peace.